Do you feel like you've lost your strength? Imagine feeling as strong as you did at 40. There's one daily habit that can help you reclaim your muscle strength. Stay tuned to find out how you can get back in shape in no time. As we age, our muscle mass naturally decreases. This process is known as sarcopenia. It can start as early as your 30s and accelerate after 60. Many people feel frustrated, thinking that strength is lost forever. But what if I told you there's a daily habit to slow this muscle loss and even restore strength? This habit is consistency with strength training. It sounds simple, right? You just have to commit to regular exercises targeting your major muscle groups. Let's break this down step by step. First, aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions a week. These sessions should focus on major muscle groups like legs, back, chest, and arms. Start with light weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. This progressive overload is key to stimulating muscle growth. Next, incorporate different types of exercises. You can try weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or resistance bands. Strength training is versatile. You can even perform exercises at home. This flexibility means you can fit it into your schedule easily. Another crucial step is to focus on form. Proper technique is essential to prevent injury and maximize results. Start slow. Pay attention to how your body feels during each movement. This mindfulness will set you up for long-term success. Now, let's explain the science behind it. When you engage in strength training, you create small tears in your muscle fibers. Your body repairs these tears, making your muscles stronger. This process is called muscle hypertrophy. Consistency in training drives this repair process, leading to increased muscle mass over time. Real-life example, take Sarah. At age 50, she felt weaker and less energetic. She started a strength training routine, committing to 3 days a week. Within weeks, she noticed a significant difference. Her strength improved, making daily tasks easier. She could even join her grandchildren for outdoor activities. It's important to note nutrition plays a vital role too. Incorporate protein-rich foods in your diet. Foods like lean meat, beans, and nuts support muscle repair. Aim for at least 20-30 grams of protein after your workouts. This nutrition, combined with strength training, amplifies your results. Let's summarize what we've covered. Sarcopenia affects everyone as they age. But one simple daily habit can restore muscle strength: consistency with strength training. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions a week, focusing on major muscle groups. Use proper form, and don't forget your nutrition. Strength training is not just about lifting weights. It's about empowering yourself to live better. You can reclaim the strength and energy you once had. Now is the time to take action. Start by scheduling your first strength training session. Gather necessary equipment, whether it's weights, bands, or just your body. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from fitness professionals. They can help tailor your routine based on your fitness levels. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a stronger you. Visualize how amazing it would feel. Remember, every small step counts towards stronger muscles and a healthier lifestyle. Take the leap today. Your future self will thank you.